Okay, we're going on a quick test drive. We have 5,210 miles on the odometer. Absolutely gorgeous car inside and out. This could pass as basically a brand new car in my opinion. Shifts nice and smooth. I got the windows down so you can hear the exhaust a little more. Car is bone stock. And any flickering you see here in camera, that is just in camera, not in person. So you're gonna see that flickering. That is not in person. Steering wheel's perfectly straight. It doesn't have any type of shimmy to it. When you apply the brakes, I don't feel any vibrations or any shakes in the wheel. Now I'm gonna roll the windows up here. Nice and quiet. See, the alignment's perfect. Absolutely zero complaints with this car. All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find, and really just assessing the overall condition of the vehicle. So here on the front right wheel, looks absolutely beautiful. I'm not seeing any curb rash. Looking at the fender, that looks good. A couple small spots where like bugs have kind of etched into the black there. A-pillar looks good. Feeling that door edge. I don't feel any chips. Door looks good. Quarter panel's clean. Here on that wheel, once again, I don't see any curb rash. A-pillar, that looks good. We do have a chip right there. The rest of that though looks really good. These stripes are vinyl. Look at the clarity of the headlights. They look good. You have a tiny chip here on that vinyl. Getting super close. I don't think it impacted the paint since I can still see red. The rest of that looks good. That's clean. That looks nice. I do see a chip here and a small abrasion. Just looking for rock chips and things like that. Another spot here, a couple small ones there. Got a few right there. These are little inserts to make it white. That looks really good. Let's check out that splitter. Looks really nice. You're gonna have some really light rash on the edge. Walking around the car though, you're not going to see any of this. You got to get way underneath. Some really light rash there. Otherwise, that front end looks beautiful. Headlights are crystal clear. That fender looks good. Zero curb rash on that wheel. I don't see any dents or dings anywhere. Mirror looks nice. A-pillar looks good. Edge of that feels nice. The edge of that feels good. I don't see any chips. That wheel looks awesome. Beautiful car. Absolutely gorgeous. I don't see any issues here on that back bumper. Taillights look good. Even the deck lid here, that is plastic, and they're notorious for swirls like crazy, and that one looks really good. Here on that upper section, beautiful. It's a very, very clean car. Paint's in great condition. Looks really nice. A couple swirls here and there from just everyday washing, but for the most part, it is in really, really good condition. Keep in mind, we do offer paint correction as well as ceramic coating. And so if you want to make this car look brand new, we can do that for you as well. Reach out to sales for that. Otherwise, the outside of this car is absolutely gorgeous. And here in the engine bay, I'm just going to scan through all of this. I believe the car is bone stock. Absolutely gorgeous. All the plastics look nice. Underhood liner is clean. Looks good. All right, guys, checking out the interior. It still smells brand new in here. Upper section looks good. All the Alcantara is clean. I don't see any scuffs here. Absolutely beautiful. Here on this trim, that plastic is in great condition. Same here. Bolster's perfect. Same with this one. I don't see any flaws here. Upper section looks good. All the Alcantara is clean. Now you're gonna have some light wear on the steering wheel, but the Alcantara is still super smooth. Feels really good in the hands. You can see they held it about right here because you're going to have some light discoloration there. But for the most part, that wheel looks really good. All the carbon looks nice. I don't see any scuffs or scratches in here. And like I said, it smells brand new in here. I don't see any flaws there. This is definitely a beautiful, beautiful car. $5,210 miles. And then of course you got the exhaust mode. Wakes it up a little bit. Buttons are perfect. All of this looks amazing. Beautiful, beautiful car. Looking back here, once again, absolutely perfect. No one ever sat back there, I bet. Here on this panel, absolutely perfect. Looking at the trim, nice and clean. I don't see any flaws on the seats. All the Alcantara is super clean as well. I don't see any scuffs. Glove box looks good. Carbon's perfect. Upper side of the dash looks amazing. I mean, this looks like a brand new car on this side.